Corn buy from Mexico didn't help corn prices on Tuesday, but livestock saw plenty of green. Michelle Rook is back with an update ahead of Wednesday's trades in markets now.
Grain setting back on Tuesday. Bryan Doherty is with us with analysis. And Bryan, the grains had a pretty good rally recently, so it was kind of time for a little bit of a correction, wasn't it?
Mostly yeah, on the idea of just overbought conditions and pushing prices up to some small resistance levels. In addition, farmer selling picked up quite significantly. We've talked to a lot of farmers who took advantage of this and moved some corn. They've been waiting for a long time. Some of these futures contracts in corn in particular trading at their highest price levels since early January and getting close to where they broke off from their sideways range at the end of the year. So a real nice recovery in the marketplace. Wet conditions keeping planting at a minimal pace at this point, supportive on the big picture, but for now, maybe not enough as farmers are really going to push hard to get things done in a hurry.
Bryan, was there also some concern about these China tariffs, maybe some retaliation or anything like that?
I think that concern is perceptive in nature. We didn't really see anything in the egg sector that would have us concerned yet. There was a lot of talk and hope that there might be some sort of action against imported cooking oils from China. That didn't wasn't the case. So there may be some apprehension there, and maybe that's enough right now without any additional supportive news to keep prices moving. I think the money flow is really important to watch. We've been watching fund money move out of the short side of the grains now for several weeks in a row. And when you kind of look at the world, there's just enough uncertainty in a lot of spots right now that the market rally has been well supported.
Yeah. The other news that hit the market, Brazil crop estimates came out, and instead of going down, they actually went up for corn and beans, didn't they?
Well, they did, and so the market's going to take it with a grain of salt because some of those estimates may be up in the air based on flooding conditions and concerns. Acreage increase was kind of rumored out there for a long time. We saw Conab confirm that a little bit. So the net of it between acreage increase and then flooding issues and potentially 3 million metric tons of bean crop in that ballpark that may not be harvested and logistically hard to move. There's still a net drawdown, but now we'll have to see if the USDA decides to kind of get on board with that.
Thanks so much, Bryan Doherty with Total Farm Marketing, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.